Here you go again. I caught you again. Trying to find the perfect strategy on the internet, 100%, 98%. There is no strategy like that. All you need to do is to work on your risk management and your psychology. Trust me, take it from me. I've been in your shoe. I've gone all over the internet, watched videos, strategy hopping from one place to another, trying to find the hundreds, the holy grail strategy that will take my trading to the next level. But I never found it. But what I found in most successful traders is risk management plus psychology. Your trading strategy can be only 30 or 50% win rate, but if you have the proper risk management and psychology, you can become profitable as a forex trader. Today I'll be sharing with you my best setups, and I'll be giving you hints on how to improve your psychology and your risk management. Stay tuned with me. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel again. My name is Michael. Welcome to MC90 Effects. So yes, I found the 98% strategy. No, it's not a clickbait. It's actually true. Yes, it's not 98% win rate. It's around 50 or 60% win rate. But if you combine your psychology and your risk management, it will take you far. If you watch my last video, I told you that I'm trying to get a prop firm next month, and I'm working on my strategy, and I'll be back testing and forward testing. If you're an OG here, you know that I trade the smart money and ICT concept strategy. So I'm going to show you a video right now where I showed my strategy. I hope you enjoy that, and I'll talk to you later about how to improve your psychology and risk management. Stay tuned to the end. I'm looking at a setup on EU. Let's go to the daily time frame. I always start my analysis from the daily time frame. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, you can see that price has been bullish. So what do I do is that I picked up my fib and marked the starting of this bullish run to the top here. So you can see those yellow line are my golden zones. So I've marked up the peak. So what I do is I move to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so what I do after I get to the 1 hour time frame, now that I'm on the 1 hour time frame, I can see clearly that price, see where I picked my fib from here, ran it to the high. And what I noticed is that price, the golden zone, is sitting directly on top of the other block. It's sitting directly on top of the other block that caused a break of structure, created imbalances. Understand? So now this is a verified what order block. Now what do I notice? I notice that price have been creating trend line liquidity. You can see this liquidity here. You can see price have been creating liquidity. Price have been creating liquidity. So price already took up this liquidity from this place. People that have been selling from the top of your price took them, and now price is coming down to this other block. So price is going to also take this liquidity, and what verify other block that is very strong, there must be a grab of liquidity. Price must collect this liquidity here before tapping to this other block. Now it's two scenarios here. One is either you wait for price to get here. This is 1 hour order block. Then you go to the 5 minutes. Let me do a replay. You go to the 5 minutes. Yeah, you go to the 5 minutes. I want to show you how you enter. You go to 5 minutes. As you can see, there's this red line that I drew here. Why did I draw this line? This red line is one entry. This one here, I'm entering at the top of the other block. So I have two entry. For instance, now I trade a $5,000 account, so I'm risking 1%. So I'll risk $25 here, $25 here. So both of them is like 1 to this is 1 to 7. This is 1 to 5. Yeah. So I'm entering conservative and aggressive. Let me show you how I entered. I went to the 5 minutes. If you are looking at the chart, why I enter like that is because I'm not usually looking at the chart. I'm working, so I'll just set my limits there like that. So if you look here closely, you will see that I entered based on the beginning of the fair value gap. You can see that there's a fair value gap here. You can see that this is like the other block in the smaller time frame. There's a fair value gap here, so it's the beginning of the fair value gap that I'm entering. That's the more conservative one. I'm entering through the fair value gap, while the other one I'm entering directly on the top. I'm putting my stop loss here. So that's why I picked my entry on the 5 minutes. But if you are watching on the chart, all you need to do is wait for price. Let me go back to the 1 hour. All you need to do is to wait for price to come. Wait for price. Let me delete this. Wait for price to retrace like this. Let me show you. Wait for price to retrace down into here, then wait for it to like maybe pull up, then come down, then breaks. When it breaks the high, then there should be an order block around this area. Then you mark that price should retest the order block, and then retest the order block, and then shoot up. Next time price will come in here, then probably break structure. Based on how price went in, it should create a structure. It will not just pull down like this. It will create a structure, then price will break it, then break the high, then return to the other block that caused the change of character. So that's my anticipation for this week. Yeah.
Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, let me give you a simple tips on how to improve your trading career. You must have 3 things. 1, a trading plan. 2, risk management. 3, your psychology must be right. Trading plan, what do I mean by trading plan? Before I enter any trade as an SMC trader, for me, I must look for a liquidity grab. If I don't see a liquidity grab, I don't proceed. Your trading plan must have steps, rules that you must follow. Step 1 for me, I must see a liquidity grab. If I don't see that, I'm not entering the trade. That is what I mean by having a trading plan, having set rules you must see before you execute. It will help you to avoid some trades. It will help you based on your way you have back tested. You're able to see that, okay, when I do this, I'm right and I'm wrong. So that's what we call trading plan. You can join my Telegram group in the description box. I drop free signals and stuff like that on how to improve your trading. 2, risk management. What is risk management? Am I risking $25 to get $50? Am I risking $25 to get $100? What in conclusion, you must know your risk ratio. Okay, this setup is 1-3 reward ratio, is 1-5 reward ratio. Stop going for 1-50, 1-20. They happen rarely. Understand? So your risk management must be on point. How much are you ready to risk first to get what you want to get? You must plan your loss before you execute a trade. And lastly, psychology. What I mean by psychology, you must not be too greedy. You must not come out from a trade easily. You must learn to control your emotions. And how will you do that? Is by backtesting to see, by building a trading plan. I'm sure if you have a correct trading plan, a correct risk management, your psychology will be balanced, at least for a start, because you will just know that you have to follow this and this and this. Stop giving yourself too much expectation on a trade. So always go for easy 1-3, easy 1-5. Then you can wrap it up from there. All we came to this trading industry to do is to improve our lives, to make money. So start by doing the 1-2s, to 1-3, to 1-4, because your psychology, what actually helps your psychology is if you make profits or lose money. Understand? So if you can find a way to balance it, and how will you balance it is by having a right trading plan and a good risk reward ratio. Your risk management must be right. So that's that on that. There's no 90% strategy anywhere. There is only a set of rules and a set of risk reward ratio or risk management that you have to follow, plus your trading plan. Your trading plan can never be 100% because nobody knows how the market move. No matter how you know the market well, you can never say this is where we can only anticipate the direction of the market. So thank you for liking and staying to the end of this video. All my links to any of my social handles are in the description below. Like this video, share with your friends, and I see you in my next video. Thank you. Peace out.